So guys, I have decided to install my old subwoofer. Let's show you guys what it looks like. So my old subwoofer is down here. This is from my old Dodge Magnum car, believe it or not. From over, how long I had that car? Since I can't remember. It's like 2007, literally. 2007? No, actually old. I got it 2007. Literally, I think I got it since 2006 or 2007. I have my Dodge Magnum. And this was a subwoofer from it. Literally, I haven't used it since I sold that car. And right now it's tied into the boat. And it's on a 12-inch subwoofer, ported subwoofer. You got two ports for ear chamber, one over there and then one over here. And it's running off the deep cycle battery. Actually, no, it's not deep cycle battery. This is a lithium battery, believe it or not. I'm running off the lithium battery that the trolling motor actually uses. And it got two batteries, so that's good. And then, so this is only for the subwoofer. And then for the front end, for the 4-speaker system, it have its own subwoofer over here. 760 watts for the come pre-wired with the bolt. And that's the heady unit right here. Simple, basic heady unit. But I'm liking this setup right now because I'm loving the sound with this subwoofer. It makes the dynamic sounds a lot more better. Literally. It sounds like 100 times different with the subwoofer. So let's turn on this music. Let's give it a shot. Oh man, listen to that. Listen to that, guys. You guys can't hear this music. I know you guys can't hear that music. I know you guys can't hear that sound, but I mean it sounds full. It sounds deep. You feel your heart pounding in this music. That's how good it sounds. Wow. I just go say wow. Wow, this sounds really good. I could hear the beat on this boat.